It's Saturday morning. I am getting ready to go to a nursery. I've never been there before. We drove by with my husband the other day. Looked really cute, so I want to stop by and see what plants they have. There's my hubby working on our front porch, hopefully getting that done soon. And we need to do like landscaping, so I'll see, maybe I'll find some cute flowers or plants. So yeah, I'm off to do that, and I'll show you if I get anything. So I am driving back from the nursery. I got a few plants right there. I'm about to stop by Chick-fil-A and get hubby a milkshake, and I might get a lemonade. And then we'll see where the day takes us. So I just changed. I'm gonna go outside and mow the lawn, and then I think maybe make a garden bed. But I just wanted to show you the progress on our front porch. So exciting! Getting there. Good job, honey. Today is a beautiful day. It's supposed to be, I think, like 78. So I'm going to try to get a lot of yard work done. It's been raining the past few days. So finally the sun is out. Hopefully some of the puddles dry up and I can mow the lawn and make it look pretty outside. And then I have to figure out what to do with the flowers that I bought. But yeah, you guys like my dark nail polish? My hubby picked it out. So today is Monday evening. It's like 6:30. I think I ended this Saturday afternoon. I didn't really vlog the rest of the evening because all we did was just mow the lawn. We were working on our front and back porch. We were redoing those. And then Sunday went to church and then to my brother's house. So didn't really vlog any of those days. But today's Monday. I was just doing laundry, cleaning up the house a little bit today. And we just went to Aldi, so I wanted to show you quickly what we got. The other day I went to Target and I got the Joanna Gaines cookbook. I'm so excited about that. So I found a couple recipes on there I want to try. One was her biscuits, and another one, I think it was like the beef stew or something like that. And I just remembered I forgot to buy the chunks of beef for the stew, but that's okay. There's another recipe as well. I think it was like a sausage and kale soup. So I have the ingredients for those, so I think I'll do that first and then end up buying the beef for the beef stew. Kind of quickly show you what I got. Starbucks, of course. Look how tall my lettuce grew. This has been just a few days. It's amazing. And my little sweet nephew ripped off a rose for me, so I'm watering that. So got some hamburgers. Hubby loves these. Got some ground turkey. Some ground beef. I got 2 ground beef. One I'm going to use for my dog. I make her own dog food. And one is for another recipe too I'm going to try. Then I got some chips. I have some sauce in the refrigerator. We got 2 watermelon. One is still laying on the floor somewhere. I got this marble cheese board with a slicer. We don't eat much cheese, but when, you know, we have people coming over, I'll slice up some cheese, and I don't have a cheese slicer. And this was on sale for like less than $5, so I figured why not. Got some eggs for baking. Hubby got some buns. I normally don't buy just plain white bread, but I thought I would get some and make some French toast. And then some bagels. Oranges, some kale for the kale soup, some sausage for that soup as well, some sliced meat and cheese for sandwiches, some asparagus, I want to do some on the grill, some corn, peas, frozen peas. Again, I normally don't buy frozen peas, but the recipe called for it, so we'll see. I'm not crazy about peas, but we'll see. I got some salted butter. I normally don't use salted, but the biscuit recipe called for the salted butter. Heavy cream, buttermilk, same thing. Usually don't use buttermilk, but the recipe called for it. Cinnamon, we use a lot of cinnamon, so I got 2 of those. Corn, canned peas for my dog food, and diced tomatoes. And then my husband saw the cereal and he wanted to get it, remind him of his childhood. And then some granola bars, some beef broth for the beef stew, some self-rising flour for the biscuits, and that is pretty much it. Oh, I have like some scratches on me. My dog got excited. She always gets so excited when we get home, and I picked her up and she accidentally scratched me. But yeah, so I'm going to put all of this away. Oh, we also bought these, like, what are they called? flower basket type of things that you could hang on your porch or whatever and plant flowers in there. So I don't know if I'm gonna plant flowers in there, or I was thinking to do like a little herb garden, because I have a garden but it's behind my shed. And I feel like it's nice if I have the herbs on my porch. This way if I'm cooking something, I could just go cut some off, rip some off, and, you know, throw them in. I still have the flowers that I got from the nursery that I didn't plant yet. So I don't know if I'll do that tonight or tomorrow, we'll see. One thing I like to do is when we get like watermelon or like cantaloupe, fruits like that, I try to cut them up right away. I mean, I might not do it like right then and there as soon as I get home, but within like a day or two, I try to cut it all up and put it in containers, put it in the refrigerator. And I noticed we end up eating it so much faster. And like one watermelon will last my husband and I like a day or two, because it's already cut up, it's nice and cold, you know, but when it's just laying there, I'm like, you know, we're both kind of lazy to just sit there and cut up slices. But if it's already like all in the refrigerator ready to go, we'll end up eating that so much quicker. And even for myself, I noticed if I have like healthy snacks, like if I have celery cut up, if I have baby carrots, if I've cut up like bell pepper, I'll tend to eat it more. But if it's still whole laying there, I know it sounds crazy, it's not that hard, but that's just the laziness in me. I'll reach for like crackers because I'm like, oh, that's already ready. But if I have snacks, like healthy snacks cut up and ready to go, I'll reach for those more often and end up eating healthier snacks. So right now I think I'm going to make some dog food. So it really is like super easy. I'll show you how I do it. So what I usually do is I choose meat. Sometimes I'll do chicken, sometimes like turkey, ground turkey. Today I'm using ground beef, so I'm just putting the beef in there. Then I get these small peas, or sometimes I'll do like carrots, depending on whatever. I'll switch it up. Today I'll do some peas. And then I do about 1 cup of brown rice, a little bit of oatmeal. I don't usually measure out the oatmeal. I just kind of put in just at least a little bit, not too much. And then I like to add in about 2 cups of water. Since I did 1 cup of rice, I'll do about 2 cups of water. And this is just room temperature water that I already had boiled. And then I'll mix everything together, turn it on slow cook, and it doesn't take too long, and it's ready. And then I'll just put it in containers and put it in the refrigerator. My husband is grilling some hamburgers on the grill for himself. And I'm gonna have him put this corn on there as well. And I'm just gonna show you quickly what I do. I found a recipe, it was a little bit different. You add like parsley and things like that in there, but I don't have time for that right now. So I'm just going to take some butter, spread it on there. So I have this onion salt, this 21 seasoning, these are both from Trader Joe's, and then some garlic powder I'm gonna put on there, and wrap it up and put it on the grill. Little burrito. So here's my corn. Let's unwrap it and see. Oh, it looks so good. Ta-da! Oh, I wish you could smell this. So I am in my sunroom right now, and I got these planters from Aldi today. I think they were like $12. I could be wrong. But they look like this. The box looks like this, I should say. And I want to use these to plant herbs in. So I got 2 of them, like dill, parsley, what else? Dill, parsley, coriander, basil, mint, things like that. So I'm going to take these out and see what they look like. I didn't open the box. So they come with these brackets that you can mount on like the side of your porch, or, you know, under a windowsill. Some instructions. And so this is what, I don't know if you can see, this is the back, and then this is the front of the box. Sorry, the lighting here isn't that great either. So what I'm going to do is, it doesn't look like there's holes in here. So there's these 2 spots on here that looks like you can pop, that you can make a hole. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make a couple holes in here so the water can drain, and then put some soil and put some seeds. I have some mint, but I think I'm going to do mint separately just because it does spread and it could start to kind of like weave through the rest of the plants. So I think I'm gonna do mint separately. I have some parsley, 2 different kinds. I have some basil, 2 different kinds as well, and some cilantro. So, and I think I have dill too. Yes, I have some dill that I'll be planting. So in this planter I have some dill, basil, and some more dill. I do use a lot of that for like salads, or I'll cut it up, freeze it, and throw it into soups. And then over here I have cilantro, more dill, and parsley. And these are just temporary. I just wrote it on popsicle sticks. And then my sister's actually making me special picks that are going to go in there. I'm just going to take them outside, water them. I don't want to water them inside because they do have holes and it's going to drain on my floors. And then probably bring them in for the night just because it is going to be a little bit chillier. And then bring them back outside for tomorrow. So I will show you the progress once these start growing. So now that I'm done with all of the planting, I just got the last load of laundry out of the dryer, folded that, and I have to put that away so it's sitting in the laundry basket. The dog food is ready. It's kind of cooled off. I already gave her some. The rest I'm going to put in just like glass Tupperware containers, put in the refrigerator, and it should last about a week. So I think I'll end it here. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.